Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the KitchenAid Pure Power Blender, which comes with a personal blending jar. In the box of this blender, you'll find a 2-liter container. This is your primary blending jug, and it's good for hot and cold ingredients. It's got a little heat release valve on top. Then you've got a personal blending jar, which comes with its own blender base. What's really nice in this is you've got those lifted asymmetrical blades, which a lot of companies do not put in their personal jars. It comes with a travel lid as well as a cap for that. And then on the base, you have 10 different speeds plus increments in between, an on-off button, a smoothie function, an ice crush function, and a cleaning function. And then if you just push your dial down, it flexes into a pulse mode. So for our test recipes today, we're going to do something a little unusual. So I'm going to be using the personal blending jar first, and I'm going to see if I can make a soy-based strawberry milk. I grew up loving strawberry milk, but it's actually really hard to make strawberry milk at home because the amount of liquid in strawberries makes the milk taste really watery. So you either have to boil it down to this sweet sort of compote first and then cool it off and get it into your milk. Or what I'm going to try today is I've got a bunch of dehydrated freeze-dried strawberries. And I'm gonna see if I can get the freeze-dried strawberries fine enough to get that integrated into soy milk. I pulsed this to start, and then I just kind of cranked it up to about a 5, and it really turned everything into super fine powder. And that's going to be important because we don't want clumps in something like a milk. You need that really, really fine texture, and this is a blender that can deliver on that. So I'm going to add some milk and just point out, if you look at where the blade is on the blade half of this personal blending jar, it's really nice because that whole part is sunken. So I'm blending, I'm actually going to crank it all the way up to this is an 8 right now. Now we're up to a 10. But it's really nice because when I pop that lid off, anything that drips is not going to drip all over the cup and all over the machine thanks to that sunken lid. Well, last time I did this, I was just using straight up strawberries and a little sugar, and it was not good. This is so good. This is so stinking good. Okay, you know what? I was going to make a little sort of crushed iced tea to test the big blender, but we're not going to do that. We're going to put this over ice because it's so intensely strawberry. I bet that I could turn this into a slushie. While I really, really love that this blender is great for hot recipes, I also know that a wonderful way to test a blender is by seeing how well it crushes ice. So we're kind of watching everything settle here, but in order to crush ice well, a blender has to have a number of different things. It has to have that really strong motor, it has to have a good blade design, and then it also has to have really strong blades. And KitchenAid Pure Power Blender crushes it. On all 3 categories. You get that really nice, snowy kind of ice when you blend with this machine, and you can see that in the texture of your final product here. The clean function on this blender works for both the large and small containers. You just put in a little soap, a little water, and press clean. It'll turn itself on and off, and it's pretty quick and effective. For more on this blender, make sure to check it out at the Best Buy blog or online at bestbuy.ca. Thanks for watching.